Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically comment on a Pinterest post. So open up Pinterest, of course, and open up like I guess a post, of course, like this one. Open it up, and like here are the comments that they have. To add a comment, just select add a comment. You can even add an emoji. This is so cute and creative, for instance, but I think you can add it after the emoji. I'm not quite sure. Okay, because it disappears to the send message, and you can copy and paste it actually, and just press the send button. That's it. You can even like people's comment and stuff like that. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!